Hey guys, I'm Dimitri.
And I am Tyler.
Today we are joining you from a green screen because we're going to be basically taking this to a whole other place. Are you ready? Bang!
Whoa. It's still green.
All right, so if you like bowling, if you like soccer, today's game is for you because we're playing RC car soccer.
Dimitri's still finishing up his build, so we're gonna quickly go over the rules for RC soccer. Each car is gonna be at opposite ends of the court. The middle is gonna be the ball on top of this puppy. When Cristiano blows the whistle, we're gonna take off full speed, up the ramp, hit the ball, and now it's in play.
Their goal is to get the ball into the opponent's side of the court and knock over these 3 pins.
Each worth 1 point. The first to 6 wins the game.
Each side gets 2 helper cars.
They can be offensive, they can be defensive, they can just be annoying.
What they can't do is use their cars to knock over the pins. If that happens, then the other team has to have a penalty shot.
I think really the Lego bricks are gonna come in most handy on the course itself. There's Lego obstacles everywhere. We've got pins. You ever seen these at the store? I don't think so. Oh, sometimes, you know, like
You ever
the
have to
old
blow
video
on it?
games, you just blow on it, yeah.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. There we go. Let me just walk you through the build here. As you can see, mine done to perfection. The back, you got the spoiler. In the front, you've got the sweet spot. That's where the ball is gonna be just kissing all day.
So this is the street shark. I got a big fin on top. It's gonna be bobbing, weaving, swimming around the court.
Dimitri, do you think it'll be any harder to be working on building your car here?
Ooh, where's the gravity? Tyler, grab me real quick.
No.
Grab me quick.
I don't want to touch
Tyler,
your hand.
Grab me.
See ya.
Tyler, please.
Welcome to RC Soccer Rebrickulous style. On my left, we have Team Tyler. On my right, we have Team Dimitri.
Like we talked about, we're gonna start a little slow. We're gonna let the ball come to us.
We win this game, and we're going to championships, okay? You want a ring on that finger?
Yes, sir.
REBRICKULOUS. Try to put a ring on both you guys' fingers.
Players, start your engines. Ready? Set.
Let's go. Hold on. Get. Oh, no! Oh! No! On goal! Ball. Oh, no.
Look at that burnout.
There it is. Ah! No! Brad, penalty.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Be ashamed.
All right, penalty shot.
Oh, that's it. Get going. Hey.
We had a bit of a malfunction there.
Just 2 points.
Got that 7-10 split. The English on it. Can't touch it. It's too nice. It's halftime. We got our car back here in the pit. We got all of our Lego bricks back on it, which I think are going to make a big difference in the second half.
So Tyler right now has, what, 2? I'm thinking it's gonna stay that way. Look at these game faces, huh? How are they gonna score on this? Game faces.
Players, start your engines.
Bring it, Tyler.
Ready, set.
Oh my! Got us triggered. Yes, we do, and he's got no shame. No shame at all. It's looking like it might be a little chilly out there.
Oh, my!
I'm gonna do some aggressive work. Go for the ball. Who was it? Was it you?
Not only did one of Dimitri's teammates knock down one of our pins, they also knocked down one of their own pins. So I get 2 back-to-back penalty shots.
No cards.
I've got 1 more penalty shot in the back-to-back penalty challenge. If I somehow knock down all 3, this game's over. It's for you, Mom. One more point at the twofer.
That was a big hit. 3 games in a row. We're down. We are not out.
No! I'd like to thank my mom.
Come on, come on. You did good, kid. You did good. We lost.
Our game has ended, and we have a winner, Tyler.
It's been a little while. I was starting to forget what it felt like. Dimitri, if I'm being frank, has been kicking my butt. But not today. You'll see the scoreboard. 2-6, maybe even 7. I think I got 2 there at the end, so maybe we can do that in post. So, yeah.
Okay. You can put it away now. Serves you right.
Make your own course and let us know in the comments who you thought was the better driver.
Just because you have the trophy doesn't mean that they're gonna vote for you.